All right, so here we have the registration page. We've successfully integrated with the server and the database to add users to a registration page, to a users table that was successfully registered. So what we'd like to be able to do is once we have successfully registered, we would like to maybe navigate to the to a profile screen, and that profile screen might be able to tell us, right, that who are we currently logged in as, right? Ideally, we would have the server be able to remember the fact that we just registered, right? We should be the currently logged in user, so let's do that. So once we successfully register, what we're going to do is that we're going to create a profile page, and we are going to navigate to that page. All right. So back in the clients, let's create a new component. We'll call the profile component. So this will be profile.js, and in here we're going to again import React. Nope, not register. React. There we go. And we'll create a class component, call profile, and this will extend the React.component component. There we go. And we're going to do a render. And we're going to return just a simple div with an h1 with profile. Okay. Let's see if we can navigate this. We'll create a router so that we can navigate to it. Right. So let's copy maybe this register here. Copy it. And we'll navigate to profile, and we'll show the profile component. Right. So once we have that, we can maybe add a link to the home page and verify that this is working. Maybe add a break in between, and the hyperlink would be to profile. And if we click on profile, then we should navigate to the profile screen. So let's oops. Did it not load again? Okay, profile. I'm typing it too fast, so I can't find it. Profile. There we go. Okay, so back in home, if we click on profile, we can navigate to the profile screen. All right, so what we'd like to be able to do here is that every time we navigate to the profile screen, notice that we're not going to encode the state in the URL. Typically in a React or in a user interface, usually we want to encode the state of the application as part of the URL. For instance, we would like to encode here maybe the ID of the user that we want to see the profile for, but we're not going to do that, right? We're not going to encode sensitive information such as usernames or IDs or anything like that, right? Instead, all that information will be stored in the server. What we'll have is the profile do is that it won't know whose profile to show. So instead, it's going to ask the server, hey server, do you know which profile I'm supposed to be displaying here? So let's do that next.